I'm Jonathan Schofield, president of AeroTek Manufacturing, and we've just done a whole network update with network repairs, and we've been very, very happy. AeroTek Manufacturing is a government security controlled facility where we do both nuclear and aerospace components for Canadian government, U.S. military, and a bunch of civil aircraft as well. We've got about 30 employees and are considered a critical company in the overall supply chain. So having a NIST certified setup and making sure our backups, etc., were properly handled and in a controlled goods ITAR manner was incredibly important for us. So we came to a decision based on discussions with Sunil at Network Repairs that we should go ahead with them, as they provided us with a tremendously comprehensive set of requirements. We reviewed everything we were saying, listened to our concerns, adjusted the quote, made us feel very, very good that they understood the depth of concerns we had with regards to if our server went down, how fast we could get up and running. We were concerned about losing information, the fact that we had our offsite backup was not a ITAR controlled goods approved source, and we need to get it off there right away. And concerns about the speed of our network, the sort of messiness of the installation were all very well dealt with the team. And when Matthew and I reviewed the quote and discussed the technical details with Sunil, we were so happy we decided just to literally immediately go ahead and get it done. The one thing I was concerned about, because we've been through a few IT implementations before, we were concerned that the quote and the sales and the technical information we received wouldn't be come out during the implementation. I have to say that individuals, Rajiv and other people that did the implementation did just an outstanding job, and we've ended up with something which is far and away greater than what I was expecting. And I was so proud of it, I actually took our other shareholders in to see the installation this week. And we've also managed to get ourselves set up for increasing our security cameras, etc., all at the same time, and all considered in the overall environment of our IT solution. So, finally, for me, tremendously happy. We also had assistance from Sunil in arranging financing for the whole operation, which was something that's considered critical for us. We invest most of our cash back into the business, and this was something we hadn't really intended to do until we discovered the NIST requirements at the end of December and realized we had to do something right away. So anyway, overall, exceptionally happy. Not very often I say something like that, and we look forward to working with Network Repairs going forward.
Hi, my name is Matthew Schofield. I'm the Technical Sales and Manufacturing Engineering Manager at AeroTek Manufacturing Limited. I just finished doing a large network repair with Network Repairs. We did a full switch over from our old system, completely got rid of the old system and replaced it with a brand new network with a lot of nuances that I won't be able to fully explain as well as they can. But essentially, working with these guys has been absolutely fantastic. I can't say enough good things about the team from top to bottom, from president to technical people working on our actual server. Sunil is very professional. He saved us money every chance he could. He never tried to pull any punches on us. There was always a reason why we were doing something that we could all agree with. And everything was brought to our attention long before any decisions were made. So we never had to worry that things were going to go in a direction we weren't planning for, because we always knew what was coming before we got there. So like I said, dealing with Sunil has been fantastic. The major point that really sold me on working with Sunil was how much he actually knew about networks and how much information and knowledge he had on these systems himself. Usually when you talk to the higher up people in the company, they have a view of what the company is, but they can't tell you every single detail. Well, Sunil can definitely tell you every single detail about what's going into your server, and actually caught him in our server room doing the last cable management because he just had to get his hands on there and get a little touch on the system himself. So yeah, overall, like I said, from top to bottom, the service has been fantastic. The techs that I work with, in particular Rajiv and Depesh, were amazing. They worked early, they worked late, they came in and fit our schedule, they worked on weekends when they had to. They really were very accommodating to all the staff, especially people who aren't that familiar with computer systems and upgrading things and changing shortcuts and things of that nature, which can cause a lot of pain. They made that all really painless for all the people here, especially the people who have less computer skills than some of the other employees. Like I said, Rajiv and Depesh, both very polite. They were always on time. They never made us wait for anything. They always told us before we were gonna have downtime how long it would be. And if it went a little bit long, they were very apologetic too. So it's been an excellent experience working with network repairs, and I can't see us changing suppliers anytime soon.